Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to raise hand in Microsoft Teams. So to start, open Microsoft and sign into your account. Next, join or start a Microsoft Teams meeting. Now, once you're inside the meeting, at the top, select the raise hand button. So it's represented by a small hand icon. Simply click it once to raise your hand, just like so. After you raise your hand, a hand icon will appear next to your name in the meeting participant list. So the meeting organizer and other participants will also be able to see that you've raised your hand, making it easy for the presenter to know you'd like to speak. So if you want to lower your hand, to do that, click the raise hand button again to lower it. Or if you're using the reactions menu, open reactions and select lower hand. So using the raise hand feature is a simple way to participate in meetings while keeping discussions organized, especially in larger group calls or presentations. And that's how you raise your hand in Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.